Hey guys, welcome to my channel Collage Designs. Today I will show you how to extend your image background as much as you want without affecting the subject, without affecting any kind of repetition or out of proportion. So let's get on to it. So here we have an image. So here is the subject and this is the background. So right now my main task that I want to extend the background. So let's dive into it. First we are going to extend the background, like extend the canvas size at the moment. So for that we will crop the background. So let's press C in our keyboard and I want to extend it up to this much, you can say. I think it will be fine. So for now the canvas size has increased and this is the empty portion that we have to fill up. For filling it up, let's go to the edit button, content tab as scale. Here you can find out this shortcut, that is Alt Shift Ctrl plus C. You can remember it and it doesn't matter whether you can remember it or not. You can just find it under the edit tab. So let's click onto this and it's very simple. It's as easy as just stretching it. Cool. So it's working fine. Now I want to show you something over here. Like here while stretching, the image is getting misplaced. You can say it is getting enlarged in all proportion. It is enlarging in proportionately, but we don't want to get enlarged on the upper and the lower side of the image. We just want to stretch the left hand side of the image. So what we are gonna do, like after selecting the content tab as scale option, we can turn this off, and this is the button for maintaining aspect ratio. We are going to turn it off. We just want to increase the width of the image, not the height of the image. In this way, the image will remain on the same background. We don't have to keep on correcting the position of the image. So at this part, in this part, you can say, I can see it's fine. But as soon as I starting stretching it more, it seemed to be that some of the part is getting stretched a bit. So no worries on that. We are going to get back to this position. Our height was also increasing at the same rate. So we will get back to this position and hit enter. Give it some time to process. Again hit edit, content tab as scale, and repeat the same process. Again what happened? This one is still selected. So we are going to deselect it and just increasing the background. So you have to understand when your image is getting stretched, the subject of the main image is getting stretched. At that point you have to stop. No worries on that. You can keep on repeating the process as much as you want, as many times as you like. So it's now filled up and you can see the end result. So this looks fine to me and the work is done. So let me show you another process with this image. Let's again repeat the process. Let's enlarge the canvas. On this side maybe. You can do it on both the sides. You can stretch it from here. You can stretch it from left. You can stretch it from above. In the way you feel like, as per the design requirement. So I am going to stretch it till this much. Let's keep it to this and it's fine to me. So again, let's repeat the process. This content aware scale again. Let's stretch it. Let's again turn up the proportion button and again one thing you will notice over here that there is one problem with this image. The image till here is fine, the original size of the image when we are keeping to it is fine, but when we are stretching the image, what's happening? Their hands are getting enlarged. So we don't want that. Different process with which you can, just by selecting the background, you can just stretch it without affecting your subject. So we will pick the lasso tool. You can select it by pressing L as well. So we'll make a rough sketch of the subject over here. We'll also take the reflection as it is proportionate to the subject. So this is our rough selection of the subject. So over here we will go to the channel and we will press this mask button. And here you can see that an alpha channel is created. Just by pressing Ctrl D, we will deselect it. Go to the layer again. Edit, content aware scale, and over here you can find rotate. And from rotate, the channel that we have created is alpha 1. We are going to select it, turn off the perspective, proportion, and we are going to enlarge the image. Okay. Now repeat the same process. Give it some time to process. Then we are going to edit. Repeat the same process. Alpha 1 is already selected. And in this way, only the background is getting stretched, not your subject. So this is the process. I have shown you two processes for enlarging the background without affecting your subject, and one simple process of just scaling it through content aware scale. Hope you like this video. So keep creating, keep exploring, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you.